In history, there are few minds as powerful and influential as Isaac Newton, a man whose discoveries changed the way we understand the universe. Yet behind his brilliant work was a private and complex personality that many people still find difficult to fully understand. Isaac Newton was born in England in 1643, in a small village called Woolsthorpe. He was born prematurely and was very small and weak as a baby, and many people believed he might not survive. His father died before he was born, and when Newton was still young, his mother left him to live with his grandparents, which made his childhood lonely and difficult. From an early age, he preferred to spend time alone, building small machines, observing nature, and thinking deeply about how things worked. As a student, Newton studied at the University of Cambridge, where he began to develop his ideas in mathematics and science. During this time, a deadly disease known as the Great Plague of London forced the university to close, and Newton returned home. This period, often called his Year of Wonders, became one of the most important times in his life. While working alone, he developed early ideas about calculus, light, and gravity, which later changed science forever. One of the most famous stories about Newton is the falling apple. According to tradition, he saw an apple fall from a tree and began to think about why objects always fall toward the earth. This simple observation led him to develop the idea of gravity, a force that attracts objects toward each other. Unlike many great thinkers, Newton was known to be a very private person. He did not enjoy social life, and he often avoided contact with others, preferring to work alone in silence. He rarely shared his ideas openly, and sometimes kept his discoveries secret for many years, which made his personality seem distant and difficult to approach. One of the most important works of his life is the book Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, often simply called the Principia. In this book, Newton explained the laws of motion and gravity, which became the foundation of classical physics. These ideas helped scientists understand how objects move, from falling apples to planets in space. When Newton became interested in a problem, he could spend days, weeks, or even months thinking about it, often forgetting to eat or sleep properly, because his mind was completely focused on finding answers. This deep concentration allowed him to solve complex problems that others could not understand. However, Newton's personality was not easy. He was known to be very sensitive and sometimes difficult, especially when dealing with criticism or disagreement. He had famous conflicts with other scientists, including Robert Hooke and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, particularly over the invention of calculus. These disagreements became intense and lasted for many years. Another surprising part of Newton's life is that he was deeply interested in subjects beyond science. He spent a large amount of time studying religion, ancient history, and alchemy, trying to discover hidden truths about the world. He believed that science and religion were connected, and that understanding nature could help reveal deeper meaning. Later in life, Newton moved to London and worked at the Royal Mint, where he helped improve the country's money system and fought against counterfeit coins. He took this job very seriously and became known for his strict and careful work. In recognition of his achievements, Newton was given a title by Queen Anne, becoming Sir Isaac Newton, one of the first scientists to receive such an honor. Newton never married and lived much of his life alone, which has led many people to describe him as a solitary figure. His quiet lifestyle allowed him to focus completely on his work, but it also made his personal life more mysterious. Despite his complex personality, Newton's influence on the world is undeniable. His ideas laid the foundation for modern science, and his work continues to affect how we understand motion, force, and the universe itself. Isaac Newton was not only a genius, but also a deeply human and complex individual, a man whose quiet life and powerful mind remind us that behind great discoveries, there are often personal struggles, deep thoughts, and a constant search for understanding.